Set you guys right here, just like that. Man, do we have some catching up to do.
And you like to bug that right side, huh? Oh yeah.
Come on. Life has been crazy. I have not made a video in months. Nobody cares. I broke my bike again. I started a new job, and today we're gonna try and fix the bike. I picked myself up a 97 crew cab long bed. Staying busy, keeping my head spinning, and I always have too much stuff going on. I've been terrible with uploading. It's been months. Not a whole lot's happened. It's been cold. I've been stuck inside. I keep breaking the same things I've been breaking before, but hopefully this summer that'll all change. Lots of plans for this nice big behemoth behind me. I want to get started on the Tacoma as well. This video I want to focus mainly on the bike. I'm doing a bottom end for the first time, so that's a little nerve-wracking. I don't really have the right tools. I got a Yz250f crank kit with new bearings. For anyone new watching this video, this is my 2006 Yz250f. I am currently working in my parents' garage. I have a single garage bay that I pretty much use up every square inch of. Started off the day strong. I apparently over torqued it and it brought out the new threads with it. I have a couple extra thread sets still in my toolbox somewhere, so we're just gonna have to fight this old thing off and start from scratch. Let's start by breaking the bike down. Probably do a little time lapse. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. She is seized. Day 2.
Ben hit me in the knee with a drawer and now it hurts. So that's fun, but I learned how to ride a dirt bike today. A big girl bike. This bike over here. Oh yeah. This one is mine. And this is a big girl bike. It's actually Salem's, but thanks Salem. Appreciate that.
Quick rundown on the 350, just to kind of give you a brief expectation list for me to hold me accountable for. I want to do the 05 plus coil spring swap. I want to do the 08 6.4 front bumper. Factory Alcoas on all three corners. This back driver is a Mickey Thompson wheel, I believe. Surface rust starting on the bed rails, a little bit tucked under the box there. Hole in this fender right here. Dent in that back bumper spot. I already replaced the door. The previous owner threw this whole side into a guardrail. New fender, new door, new bumper, new headlights. Pretty clean underneath. She's definitely not perfect. I have a new metal piece that runs under the lights in the grill. This one still is dented in from when he got in the accident. The new one that I have is green, so I have to paint that. Might mess around and paint this whole thing this summer. She needs it bad, but I don't know if I'm gonna get to it. If I end up doing the swap, it's gonna be a full frame off. Lots and lots of work to do. Plenty of challenges for me and new things I haven't done, but it'll definitely keep me busy and definitely make some good videos for you all, as long as I can stay on top of it. And y'all gotta hold me accountable, because this truck's gonna be really cool when I'm done with it. But all it takes is time and energy, man, and a whole lot of money, but I ain't got any of that. that's gonna wrap it up for the video.
Thank you for watching the video. This is the end. We're gonna ride all summer long, and goodbye.